we've got bear crawls, standing abduction. You can use a band for them if you want. Side lunges, static chair pose, that great one again, and side planks, and then ab cycles. So let's do it. Alright, with the bear crawls, we're going to go like forward and back. I don't have much room, so you're going to just do a few sets, and then you're going to come back. Just got a bum shot there. And we're going to do it for a minute. Keep going. If you've got loads of room, you can just obviously do a lot more in one day. Alright, and then we've got our standing abduction. So if you don't have a band, that's fine, just take your leg higher. So you're literally just going to take one leg out to the side for 30 seconds. Fit 5 more seconds on this side. And the other side. So if you don't have a band, just take your leg higher. Alright, and then we've got our side lunges, so band off for these. Set a timer. So you're just going to go as low as you can, back to centre, as low as you can. So you set as low as you can in the lunge each side. Keep it going, get as low as you can. Keep your weight in the heel of the leg that's bending. Don't let it go into your toes. Keep it going. And then into our static chair pose. So remember, we're just holding it here, arms up, in your squat. Think about pushing your knees out while we're there. If you want to do it against a wall, that's a little bit easier. Everyone else has left now. I bet that this got you stressed out. Wondering what can we do now? Keep holding. Maybe let it burn out. Where I can't feel my face. Mine is twisted and weird. Wondering what can we do now? Keep holding. We got it. Push those knees out. And then we've got our side plank, so 30 seconds each side. Just make sure your body's like kind of in line. 15 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Just try and keep your balance. Sometimes you'll be falling all over the place with this one. Keep holding. Keep holding it there, 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Alright, and then next we've just got ab cycles. So, you're going to put one elbow to the opposite knee. So elbow to the opposite knee. Keeping your shoulders off the floor. Keep it going.
Everyone else has left now. I bet that this got you stressed out. Wondering what can we do now?
And then have a 1 minute rest. Well done. Grab a drink. How was that? I feel like the bar crawls and the holdy plank were the hardest ones. Good times. And on your abduction, I have like a medium-ish band for this one. So this isn't my normal light one. This is some other one that I've had for ages. But I feel like the light wouldn't be strong enough, and then the heavy would be too heavy. My extra heavy, so go for like a medium-ish one so you can get your leg a little bit further if you have a few. And if you don't have one, then just take your leg even higher and you'll be fine. Okay, we got 15 more seconds rest. Alright, let's do